Unami gusu shira nkakrakra ye ho ye. Bibia fine. Bibia fine.
Bibia shishye ye.
Ai nkakrakra.
Me ami hu.
Na is it you know bibia fine there. And I say na
Eda de do.
Oh.
Eda de eda.
And em say email you na user questions.
Eda de eda. But I believe in one thing. The faith e wo ma obi am.
Sure.
You'd have to accept it. Yeah. Like sometimes when you're careful, like, you'll be disillusioned. Be at the who said you'll be who near man said they were expected to also near and yes, I know also and near man so yes, sir. So whatever comes your way, a man who appreciate you will make her. The bottom line is you have life, you have everything. The air could be regardless. That's the point.
It means that I'm repeating
perfecto. Regardless, yes.
Okay. Yeah, baby, the Black Stars in Comboni, but say yen tete hon.
Okay.
You said the normal ritual a daho for the Black Stars team no. And it's anytime be so aha ye be ko tournament a. Ida say be ko president ho at the presidency. Yes. And sometimes e bia ye do mo ba Kumasi no mo ko fikesi menhia. No makochia eyo otekoko so na omuchia ni wi a obompaye ede omani nyina achitai dia ma wo mo na omo ekọ ebi nso ho no ma chief imam ho na yedo omo ekọ ho ebi nso ho no ma ebi a ye public ayibi na the players ni nyina akọ ho na Ghanaians na ye call na afi we mingle with them and sana ye de yempai bo bia so ye de mo bia no ye di amom na afi ye ja omo kwan officially na omo fi omo anim eko ba bi omo beso omo eko but so after this particular work up yan shede nhuni sa
okay
I don't know ebi abetimi aboa me e wo sa kwan so from your perspective
yes
a friendly game na ekobon Wolves no enti na bia mpanimfo no wura fi say after Wolves game no yam fly straight from Cardiff to US, which is Rhode Island. Na yenkoya hobo to the World Cup. And now say arrangement na mpanimfo no mu refi. So this is the normal ritual de bia ye yan sana. Team nako because at the country mama kasa in fact anopaina some school of thought e twema adwen de so. As a Black Stars tournament we na ye kon ya anya sa de no. And am I be bra bi Brazil there.
Yeah, of course.
Mehu Turkey. No phenomenal. Fekra keke. So Senegal in fact Amadu Dwana about 95%, 99%. Obia yes son of party and sana. Players in a few on mining Edomani ache base akwakobo ayoka but it seems here the who is out there the buy.
Yeah, Rich, a very good question, Webisa.
This is Cape Verde.
Yeah.
Time at Cape Verde team no ebe free Cape Verde kronim akono. Omo ye no stadium. Omo national stadium. And na omani na kogu stadium ho and na players na buy and from dressing. Show bia tade kama. And na omo ejina ho. And omo bom paye at the moment ansa no mo. I mean, amani do na ye.
Yeah, Rich made us say, but I want to offer the issue of Cape Verde or Cabo Verde. How are Cape Verdeans? A Befa World Cup or Moko? Mind you, there's the first time or Moko World Cup. No, definitely feeling normal at the how Omobe appreciated the upcoming events. No, it will be different from a nation like Ghana. Reason here very simple. Yeah, first time now Yeko World Cup. No, say okay, how are Mumeno about the fan was half feeling. No. And he said the entire nation. Na yakuma, yesunsum ye bibia. And a baba be national project I say, ye papa, mam penyini then. Ye raje ekufo. Ye papa papa usu ankoma baba be sports minister. Any era this man osafuma for ye adie. Oh no so a baby. Who say clearly bibia na ye biano. Na a dead di. Including even so crowds those days Metro TV. Say okay, and yom na yera tala fatamo. A compose na ede. Ni be BM feeling no was true. But Yakoba ko Yakomienu akomiensa. Inti definitely sa feeling nene how I appreciate sa de no. Nyepe. However, me jitum say unim say oba be competition of such magnitude. Rich idea friend lack a very key. Lack. Men friend dia grow brem. Enu na me nua yala e ka asem bi about lack. Rich obi on mo e bi obra no. We do certain level na nka ni so odru ho but their friend lack no e na page no na akwa kodru. Mini Rich say o here Japan South Korea 2002 and I mean him saw here 98 World Cup.
France.
Yes, say o share 98 World Cup where you hosted of France. Now o share South France squad now Rich or J World Cup 98 no. Now o the to France squad that e call 2002 World Cup. When him say 2002 World Cup no squad no. Now it was more richer than the 98 World Cup. So okay. Yeah. In terms of quality and it said in that players
squad depth.
Yes, because Rich that time Oko EPL Thierry Henry Daniels top scorer. So okay. Goal king. Oko Serie A David Trezeguet at a point. If not the goal king, he was the second goal king, top scorer. Oko lo championnat, it was Gibril Cisse. Okay, that guy not what died it no. Cisse. The quality of the buy, including Sylvian Waltod. At time Sylvian Waltod, ne Henry more performance and no more than the mass no. Any team no in its entirety because 98 the end there France Bambukran who said they had virtually been written off. No one can favorite on bet me a competition no. Especially say Omunya who say flamboyant Michel Platini. I'm sorry, flamboyant Ginola and my competition nibino. Not the main man was this man David Trezeguet. And I wouldn't pay the or a Chelsea no. France player na no Chelsea no na a key players. Zuzu, Zidane. Zidane and sa Chelsea player na ni name na escape me.
Ghanaian
no. No a French international. Me anya Turam ne myself the same yi mu de na make but na make that time no omo about France team na. Asa na omo din was na ye hwe omo anim. But Rich you go 2002 na a home rather no na who say France team no an established squad our back competition and the level of the about also because we 98 World Cup was sanso age a Confederations Cup na your boy no was sanso to us since Confederations no card on a Cameroon the boy e ho na you know Mark Vivian phone ya memfa the currency so kai sa issue no I buy before the game one Rich say na o share sa period no including European Cup na on Italy sa golden goal rule no how they ase Italy aje over 2002 World Cup maybe remfi na under 17 in so aje World Cup kaisa little like mo squad no cinema pongoli mo no mo so aje inti na ewiase na was France and no more players no about established players because Henry at Juve Pavone Vedinti na ball no kan e dey say obenya biabo. In 1998, that time he was a small boy. But by 2002, no, the squad was actually a mature squad. They had exposure. The quality was there. So the impression was France Embre. But Rich, almost from group stage. Group are not Senegal and Denmark, and Uruguay. Okay, so before the World Cup, Senegal can send empire and say, Obekwaku share France. No, share France are Obeshane. Yeah. And Rich, what who shares I give me be critically piano. No, who said your friend lack a very key because on a day, Henry Bo na hate bar, Zuzu Zidane Ebo be na hate bar. No, me be an emfa, not lack any one side because how they prepare towards 98 World Cup. I me ya where me kai pa so mukoya Patrick Vieira Chrome Senegal you know muko so kai sa issue of Marambu say omuko ho ne koya omo amamre ya omo niema ni ade. Into omo ba na like edi omo achi but omo ba 2002 na Senegal nim omo anu aduro because of where Senegal no omo free but omo so omo nim France ade omo ba ye ne de omo so e ba de asi omo enti Rich sa lack asem na ye ka no say one oko national chief imam ho a ma a certain lack so ya we oko akoje mpaye sa mpaye na akoje no e ma a certain lack Rich uba ye wura ho a ye na no tumfo say tu say uba ne ho a so be one opportunity ehia menhia efficacy mo hia na bia be catch say yewura edit podian on panimu bi catch me efe president bi kan oso nya de bo achi ya ho okosa obi bia e bia say e contentem de ma opportunities ebie say nsra ni nyina nka ye hia But rich at the end in here. Obebisa who said, Day ne besiam penyimfonim se omo itinerary. And they are cost such a major event or competition. I was some refi some penyimfo including a man penyin aso. Me share ade 2 ways to it. The mission ye. Ansa na abeko opem so ho. Or say odi kan ema prior notice meboa. Na penyimfo ahye yera itinerary. Ashe because me remfi say na nse na yera na akwantu obebre wo ho.
And minimum say oni
yera anyhow as I speak to you now. Tina per ebia yera itinerary menshi itinerary no. Na be ye den. Say obetimi ni team no esia. It is possible. Say ebia omo yes ade no. Ebia ye man panyini with the kind of pressure what system no me ade kra no. Me ka be kra per the itinerary. Me man panyini hu say period also omo disia no. Enye period at time no ebeboa.
It's not like I'm doubting the outcome, but nkabe won kakra say open so I mean say they na yenim no we yenim so oni ho o tu kwan right but His Excellency John Dramani Mahama if I'm pa say na arrangement bi wo ho sa so before team no ebe free Ghana akopiem wo US no ye be say arrange a meeting with the president now president ekabibi chire players no na owia or the omani ni na ogina ya name na or the blessings ama team na akwa. I don't think say President Becca so too busy to meet the team. Me this is what I'm thinking. Enyama mienu to say first one na wo kan no ebia oh say World Cup ni akobia this no our first World Cup so the euphoria no and say that any ho ani emnu betime point number 1. Point number 2, and it's a bit try a refi.
But Rich, unimade bro.
Because Yakobo against Wolves or Cardiff. Yes. No. The arrangement is that team no free Cardiff near US straight and prepare.
Yeah, Rich, bro, me tell honest. But Rich, me just show him the entire a referee and kebe me wan say be a referee. Maybe in the first place when they release sika emi the competition.
Tabai.
Perfect. Inti abai dey so rent me mfi abai man nye. But all the point no rent me mfi da e man nye.
And I'm also saying say say enya refia to me metie yi. E be me won say Ghana Black Stars team e 2 kwan. Na GF mpanimfo be boy His Excellency John Dramani Mahama na too. O man pani e pese e de team ni ba watena ye.
Yes.
Na ugina Ghana fo ni na nem ka bibi chire players no. Ado blessings mom ansana. Team na free Ghana ha akopiem US. Then the president will say I'm too busy to meet the Black Stars.
Me tia se ba bro. I told them protocol say was say oko through no. Uti. ABS our protocols ni abeko through. But not timing no so because I had also be say who your rate. About timing no. As at the timer na ABS no empanyimfo person mu meet man panyin no. Na me schedule et say. No, minimum so my point no. As at that time
no me the questions na me busa keke. Yeah, I'm just asking questions.
I mean legitimate questions na bisa they are very salient. As at that time no na man panyin schedule et say. Tina make us say on no state no na release ska ama ye dia ko. Nti ebe dey be won say empanyimfo we betimi afi omo say or say omo ema man panyini. After say there's a sports minister bibia no. Ojina mampanyin na.
Okay, we so atras ebia na fin so bibia bia enso enim.
Rich me nua na ba be baso. Ba rich entia de bia say. For now you pay Ghana. Your biggest brand, your biggest ambassadors are for now almost selling the nation Ghana. Upe. So I'm say Black Stars.
Yeah.
It is the biggest brand, Upe, the biggest ambassadors for now. I'm gonna selling the name Ghana. So it will be surprising because in a way, and that field, no, I was say I was ho. Now you the age of very important. We film when you Rich. Only how many nations are after football so, and they are projecting a promote you on mine. Rich make how can I say 2006 just after the World Cup? You were questioning Techika Simbi. Or say Ghana call World Cup no. Now man for you confused. No be name the nation Ghana. No mu feel say Guyana no, and Ghana. I was South America no mu feel say Ghana. But after World Cup, no, after the name Ghana, no, a man for baby who ye. And Rich, Among force they use football as a tool and they are projecting the image of their country, the state reputation. For instance, take Japan, South Korea 2002. One of the investment, especially South Korea for AA, because some person with the football, no, and I work up a project on mine. Take Saudi Arabia for instance.
Right.
Take Qatar. Almost said that a strategy. Almost said that a draw. And the two and said, look, we would want to use football as a tool to project our nation. And then I'm a patrol visit Malaysia and I say Rwanda. Obekona obehu Arsenal jesimu na eboho. No mutua sikakese. Enti ye pro ye two baako a ye na ye toto niam bi ase na ye ni rich. Ye di project ye man ni ye pa. Enti no minim but menye sure say ebe se da ye boapayo.
Me who is saying oversight. That is what I'm saying.
All right, and honest land campaign for who be mo utie.
Rich my fishing rem na. Coffee, I don't know, so on them I know, sir, president in the town. I understand UK also. Yeah. With the prime minister and but say arrangement in term and even so the infant crisis is president of UK. Can you boy was a game in the you between a flight team in the Ghana? Because what happened your first game against Panama. You were born on the 17th. Walk up now, Monocran, and start on the 11th, which is an hour.
Yeah, sure.
And do the young flight team in free Cardiff Ghana. So what I say, now, young woman Penimbra. I'm a fan of this team, no. We are not. And yet, Chinchin possess Oman Penincrana. You bet me do a could be a Black Star Square B, Ghana Fodina, Yakogo. Oh, ya bompire ni ADBB. You just him no kind of but I say from Cardiff now to US there. I don't know. Maybe I would say on the any oversight.
I mean, I think Jude also gives a good reason. The president's timing. I think that can also be a very, very good reason because I mean, presidents they call UK or the itinerary, how they call, and if the Black Stars itinerary, obviously, what I'm thinking is that it can probably be a combination of the two reasons. Or reason of oversight, that is in the planning.
Okay.
So whoever planned the send off and to go to the World Cup, one planning with the intentionality of whether we will need something like that. So actually Brazil phone in your Papua New Guinea form worship song. That be nice. I mean, you are talking of the French one I saw with Emmanuel Macron. I'll call Clairefontaine to go and mix the boys. It's nice. I mean, it is to show some level of patriotism and nationalistic ideas, which is very good. But then again, if the planning does not factor that in, a President Nico could do all the ma, it is near impossible for him to break protocol. In certain instances, obey me breaky protocol, but adding so be breaky protocol to come and see. I don't want to say just to come and see the Black Stars, but to come and see the Black Stars. Now, we'll send you more say or call on them. Which I think a combination of both reasons. Yeah, intentional, Rich. I say we catch you in almost everything that we do, we fail to be creative and intentional about it. We say first, none you may be on my nyakra, and after the could do baby. And Uncle for boy a chia was okay. Now we have to do things. So now we do it as a responsibility. Unti urge say yes say opa pedumans over 30 and yamodia. Say he answer mamodiani. But obi in text and it me chose okay. At least 3 or 4 months be back could the money pay could the KFC. Maybe a KFC the other caribou on your days. But it's about intentionality where you know the massive word the idea around the coffee koda. Obiso try it with time, and maybe it's because of the bread and butter issues near there, all the issues surrounding your Black Stars in tea. We've not looked at that area. But for me, the most important thing about your sending off was that we didn't take advantage as we did in the last AFCON Ekoi. You remember the last 2 editions of the competition we've gone? One of them here Shekinte, the other one here Shefugu. It trended. It sold Ghana, and like Jude says, it is an opportunity. Yeah, say Saudi Arabia say. Me grow more oil, but I don't have a good image. We are saying, yes, you over say, me living normal life near the other. Into to attract investors to come and you invest in the oil and all of that. We will use football. So Cristiano Ronaldo, bra. Odijo, only friends say Georgina Cramon Ware. There was the thoughts that Saudi Arabia only about Ware Ukraine and Nancy Cristiano is doing it. A lot of them now they do a whole lot of things. Essentially, assistants now. The thoughts and ideas are now of Saudi Arabia, and it's not the same as you have today. As a son,
even bro Qatar.
Yeah, Qatar. Now,
Russia.
now go for person because their football boy rich football too there. I read an article yesterday. FIFA and TikTok feel that they want to use sports content creation to change things. It is a big time, especially the World Cup. Wait, let us finish the World Cup and look at the number of eyes that we reported to have watched the World Cup. It sells that anything. The intentionality probably could have gone into that.
YouTube, according to YouTube, almost all the games, you know.
Yeah, some of the people have won the rights to show it over there. I think I show Speed Morning. So that is what the World Cup gives to you. We could have probably sold ourselves better. Maybe at this time it could have been a kaftan with a touch of something. It could have been something from the Volta region. It could have been something from the Western region, something from the Eastern region, just to showcase your culture more. Look at the Senegalese national team. They had dinner.
The president.
Yes, and Omoma will be a handcrafted shoes. Oh, Senegal. Handcrafted shoes. If Jeff goes on the internet, you see it. And so before they put it together, and then before they took it to the World Cup. So, Sewasha, if you ask yourself about the echoes in the political scenes of Senegal, Rich, the Prime Minister of Senegal, and down for Pa, a friend of Sonko, and down for Pa and Fai, they came together to come and win the elections. It was Sonko that was competing. Sonko yachini to mu, and on down for Munyano tax officers, and on Kabo no Mkoji Abano, Omoji Abano. Now they have parted ways. Sonko has pulled his party out of government, and I can't find but nobody's talking about that. Even in proper geopolitical people, geopolitics camp, it will be hard to find that news. The news about Senegal is about some young team now called AFCON, and then the senior team have gone to the World Cup, and near one of year going to it and selling the country in the good light.
With all due respect, Rich, in 2006, Obiano Ghana Habian, fee at a point when Ghana politics, it was terrible.
Yeah.
Tencent Pie, NPP, NDC, so guys happy with Tencent Pie, but almost call parliament, almost do parliament, you know. I feel no more discussing football. And then they use attention if you 2006. Obiano Ghana.
That was our first World Cup.
Yeah.
Yes, at a point,
the euphoria was too huge.
And then my attention no bar down.
Frankly, the best to be about now. Say it to me. The president is in UK meeting the King and Prime Minister. Sports Minister is with the team for them to return and follow protocol. Isn't cost effective. At least the Ghanaian consulate in the US has met them. Yes, I understand. Young can't could do US. No, we are talking about Omu free Kromuha. What is it? Omu free Kromuha. And you see, Kofi, baby, I'm a kase. I think men kase sanity. But my dream ya me say a ya refini say. President Sana na kontuno. I mean, now hodada. Right? Yeah. And Anna. Black Stars is on your qualify your World Cup. Your qualify check. So we knew say a Debbie Baba, Black Stars didn't be free Chroma. Ako US Akako a World Cup. And to say enya a refia, I think that arrangement, you know, can be me.
And
my point that's here.
Because about 98% of the players they ball outside.
Sure.
Calendar news. When I ever we and Ghana leg so there.
At least say, Ode, young fans as a president is not available. The sports minister is there. What does it? Sports minister is there. In Sham renting in dinner be, you know, Ghanaians kakra the vice president is even there. I mean, parliament, speaker of parliament. I mean, young penny from baby. I think honestly, I think I refi. To be honest with you, a beer. Arrangement near yena hono ye refi so yenye BBC ansana team, you know, because of course US kroni do mko duma e Ghanaians or ha empenifo ha me no omo rep Ghana omo kwa show omo enya no common you have it on the show and omo free Ghana ha kona 7 year ka and you see to say na wo kan o kobo tournament you need luck.
Of course it's very important.
But be am can say me say
very important.
Black Stars team here that way. It's not like players no money had you. Our players are good. Sure. Me no opportunity. Any Blacks as a two coin. So boys in boboa. It's not like a team no money had you. They are individual, they are very good. But you see, on minor, and no na a dead team no enko ye. First na Black Stars yeah I understand Chule Kevin you can't say it's no I mean top notch quality was there but sabre no so we how no money na ye united ye can bomb di ye bomb pa the team na and na the team ni na lack but and no bi kran pa ye say ye games na bobo yen share ni na yen film so what I say it is enka yenya dam meeting and I'm ranked on no money ni na ye ka bomb baako and ye bomb pa the mom say look walk up amukui ye nim say football pre-plan ni ade ho what I say but the empire say onyame nyi premfi ho o ma yen lack games na ye bebo no I mean some pine e be di echi dia ko walk up no and the entimi anya sa na ma we nim na
say so yen crofo no so nya comfortable so be meeti yen
players no
utie say ase yeah the omo kwa drew a certain level as antagonism no ados
me sure
no reality it's an incontrovertible fact say bro ama ase a tiny hatred no utie e was straight away hence e bi ama even ombo kra no omunye in as much as ejitum so omo ekwa act on behalf of the nation no em say mo mun said that comfortable says our public gathering now rich you know omo said the first near no omo eye no me hu say in a way and also betimi account ti am omunye that comfortable yes ye be kwa koye adwuma de am oman no but ye ne mu si asa no ani mu nsensem some for say me ma mo nhwe blasters matches me boa mom boycott on say enema bebre players nete omunim ena mpanyimfo nsunim so sometimes omum pa ade bia or competition rich omum pa
ye Black Stars players ye sha say bio yeah can say be say catch your man
but rich too
looking at
the nature of the competition now basso omum pa bibia be affect players
and distract them anyway that's your opinion I am a brain now the Israel ritual in na yinim no afi yen hu eba saying
no I don't know but sir under the reset agenda from President Dramani or say e kan hunu bia ni wa yebebo to do a send off is it comes at a cost
okay
so na book of Adams that one hunu work the stadium so probably the message from the government to some extent the people of Ghana was sent through him to go and deliver to the players baby because you are talking about say and Kema players no be anything base in Ghana
and your ball Cardiff game ni no yem Ghana
no extra cost the best send off we could have done and Kayema assemble of Ghana na yenye send off nya ansa na yakọ
Wolves no
na nke akọbọ wi na yakọ say Senegal they did their send off ansa na omukọ Echo US omo friendly games once you are sent off you can whatever including your preparation you can do it I suspect a cost and a kati that is the best way Dramani Mahama say yam boka hunu bia
ayala cab ekase ya players
you are not in charge of the public purse are you and it's not your decision I are buying decision and so say okay we be gada wa ha and san ye to free call look a waste of money into mo preparation whatever message I can deliver it mo ready to frame Zoom crack and I can speak to the players then we move and you are buying a cut cost yes nice when you see countries go to their presidency na president ni no ma dim komo asho mo kran abompa pa their town which is very very nice and Emma Obia and other and say Ghana we don't know the importance of that Sadia no. It has been part of our blasters. It has been part of Yekra upbringing. We have to be if you move to school. First time I go SS. The way university admission first day I Legon. The way your family is involved in making sure say they sent you off properly. Go see war. Me I wasn't taken to school. But during the week I met me BC, from Monday to Friday, my dad took me to school, to the examination center. And see, we recognize man sent off any moral backing or honor. But maybe this particular government thinks it will come at a cost and maybe you bet me deflect here. And also so. So you shouldn't be more worried than the president. And you wouldn't care about the president, you about the so no grand can say, oh, I did somebody to me call work up about my cramia. Yeah, it's you know, if the first gentleman of the land, the father of the nation, the representing you know, and issue say, I didn't national team who call work up, now money, or other countries are, Yakosra or more president, grammar, because no mood you go work, so national team will free a koyana or Fremiana Sibi. So, no crying worried, yeah, then I don't see why. We should be worried. Empire boy, they better omachi. You're both away fear, okay. They don't need to come and say, "You're bomb by one say in the omachi." I can say they say group so David. O bomb by waha, o US. Nasa empire.
Number bomb there.
Why not? Now blasters go to US who support never. Hey, my man can't summon show. People can be angry at the blasters for various reasons, but the love for the blasters. The original anti-global. Yeah. Job blasters, blasters give many about instead of winning food.
Training.
Blasters.
Even training.
Charlie, blasters there. A premium sports product for Omino. And a chita editor or machino. And yet questionable. Look, in fact, in life, me who said the way. Se only obition. Na odopa. Na utekisa odono for granted. Na enipa kono dono turning to hater. You get the hatred in the same measurement of the love. You are saying on sanity. Obusium so obi pewa sempa. Say enipa kono okaso ojawa. Ojawa pa. Enti blasters no. The passion akumana nko for the kasafa hono. It is coming from love. And until when it turns into hatred, I had that deep no.
Yet I say, me no I mean kawansem.
Yes, until although
the fact I mean kawansem just me do.
Although and you negotiate me say, necessarily the blasters is enjoying a certain level in the heated way where gigi go for simple. Yabako Baba supposed to do nipa kwenya baby ntina. Forget about all those passion and for the blasters or something coming from their hearts. Although it is there. Blasters go to US. Are you not even surprised? The crowd even the team are surprised about the nipa dodua ebeshia omunti although they ho. Mesamo
Jeff Monfa Black Stars go to US no. And to YouTube in Sharp TV na yetiefo ne ahwefo enso ema mehwebi o hwe yenananom mpanimfo omafra eye kente nice one so na welcome team na efekra keke the Ghanaian community free eye states ahodo no enina keka bom enom kotwen eye team and said na ya like no so o hwe the faces of the players are. You could clearly see some crowd overwhelmed by the welcome now, you know, the Ghanaian community who US and the Diama woman. As a Jew, hey, say Black Stars to me, I'll say be the more minor and Osho players let him out to me say clearly a show a woman. Black Stars to me no, yeah, so Maka could do a USR or more ever boy. The Bryant University, Rhode Island, and Ghana.
Asante in open so Ebeko a 4-day visit to Canada, I think from the 14th of June. By 17th he will be there.
Okay.
And when a special invite from the government of Canada said once our town Ghana so coincidentally happens to be there. So happens also share team na obi share team no Canada.
Obompa kakra
or this anywhere more for me a matter of course say Boboka.
Okay.
John Dramani Mahama say kan hunu bia no. Ye free budget nim. So
you are being reset.
And kan hunu bia no bebo ye kai nye necessary empire body obetimi dey asani.
But kwaya ye fa so G team no US no. Dey na catch you.
No, it's natural. Blasters don't need the baby ko bia ho. Rich, when you went to Austria and Germany, didn't you see how people have traveled from various
around
aspects
the
of
north
Europe.
also free. Oh, me really free European countries need.
Oba help blasters.
You or then also drive away.
Oh yeah. Waje leave from a jumem because
blasters Austria Black Stars game.
Yeah. Blasters in the products Enkofodo team no. It is a national team. It is a national pride. A national team, the senior national team. Walk up here, look at the countries where we are singing, and to be among the few countries I walk up. Rich blasters and no done there, and it will forever be there. That is why Ayana de Biano. I was a no a kind of form with team name say they should do things well. And no, I was a show crying say no. The way Uncle Faku me dia di nechi no. Also ye ni ye ma omo. Also di ni kra wat ade no ho ma omo. E wo se o ya ade no ma odo ankofo di di ade nechi no. Eye genuine no mo di ade nechi. Eni kwa se obi di ne personal interest bi ni ono no ma e man satisfaction equity no ho. The way ade ni city and look ade bia omanfo dosa no. Rich if sewa anye ni ya nsunsu so ba wo so
sure
adie bia
obi akoma no
yes
obi a Black Stars ansha etimi yare no onidi
enti unim say ye kotoko ye house ye as good look obana berane na deibeli no wanye ni omebia it comes back to haunt you sometimes na empayinfo omokasa emuye du. You remember the famous statement from Otumfo when he said Mekoto kone bosom.
Sure, Mekaipa.
Look, you can say bibi a bosom. It doesn't necessarily mean say yeah. Sebi ekuya baby a this and sako gun and sado ka say obosom ni o debi. What Otumfo meant is that people from their hearts dia de nechi asomade no wo makomam. That is bosom. If anything you worship within you, know, represent ya can memu and a bosom mount. And the 1 or 2 verses, Madiano, I bosom bano and sum year. Against what he really meant was that there are a lot of people who do makuma shadianim. And Tuba, yes, and Tuba yen ye no makuma no mudi and nature or makuma and tomium. Say, oh, yeah, baby. Na a Hassan Kofona. It comes back to haunt you. And see, that is how blasters it here. Look, blasters is satisfied about World Cup ne AFCON there. Look at the way people forget about politics, forget about how the financial nyoma. World Cup iba start. Udie yani Panama walk the streets of Kumasi, Accra, Sunyai. Na go the way doing some 90 minutes, you know. People have forgotten problems.
Dabi, do send them
yes.
Any other on swaba.
That is it. And only someone. How people forget about Bibia and say during that time where they come and Bibia got tired in the chino and only a someone it's oh yeah no ye. No, mine is soon ni bibi etimi attach etimi de enyem wonwa ba ku say the kind of reception na omo enya na uni bi me fe pa wo share video na on your foreigners na omo ka technical team no the way the obia uniform no ultra video no say they are overwhelmed say chale the love any new man na nkofo che omo no massive nti enyem wonwa and share players in cries and more who say and cophobia do macomedy machi and domunkum homo mano ewo this World Cup and Panama for almost share Dominican Republic was a 4-2
Covano on behind you.
You bet my Dominican Republic 4-2
Panama. I'm saying for an some home beam.
I don't know my form Walk up there. Obia Bahon merit.
I need to have a second thought about that.